For a long time, I had a stomach problem. And before I came here, I had to be admitted into a hospital in Ethiopia. When they CT scanned, they found out some problems with my stomach. They said colonoscopy and endoscopy has to be undertaken. But I wanted to have a second opinion regarding this. I contacted my family, discussed with them. One is my niece, who is here in Abu Dhabi, and the other one is my son, a medical doctor working in America. That's why I came over here upon their recommendation. When the colonoscopy and endoscopy was done, they discovered there was a 4-centimeter grown-up polyp in my colon. So they had to undergo this colonoscopy surgery. And it was, to be honest with you, I was there. I never felt anything. It was removed because no blood was spread then and no blood came out up to now. But when I recovered, I was completely okay. Of course, I was admitted into the hospital. I didn't have any problem at all. The expert job that was done by Dr. Ammar was really professional. He treated me like his own father. So patient, so dedicated. He was explaining every bit of the procedure to me with patience. I would advise people of my age to really consider having this type of exams and then meet the people who have the expertise and get it removed.
It's been my pleasure to look after Mr. Alemu Getahun, and he had a problem with having a large polyp at a very sensitive area at the end of his colon and invading into the small bowel, which we call the area of the ileocecal valve. And he had, the trust in us at Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi and our expertise with the medical team to proceed after having a thorough discussion with our surgical colleagues and other multidisciplinary team to proceed with advanced endoscopic resection. And during the procedure, we underwent advanced endoscopic resection using a specialized technique to ensure that we are able to completely and effectively, but also safely remove all the polyp tissue and not having any complication. And he was able to fly back to his home and his family.